Can we see your faces, please? Please. Sorry, mine wasn't on before.
So
Can we
I
see your
need,
faces?
so it's best to apply for a new domain name.
Yeah, so in my second email, you should have so where do you normally buy your domain from? GoDaddy or Namecheap?
The one I have from Namecheap.
Okay, okay. So you already have an account. So just go in there, search for domain names. I like to go with, so I think Maria went with 6 figures with Maria because I have 6 figures with Cedar. And I think somebody else did 6 figures with her name also. So you can do that, or you can do passive income or build wealth with, when people see the domain name, they understand what the message is, what they're going to get.
Okay.
I want to see your faces, people. I want to see your faces. Let me see your face. You see, I like seeing faces. You guys are also cute. Why are you hiding it?
Oh,
Okay,
no.
so yeah, if you choose a domain name like some of people who sign up through Michelle, I always notice they go with daily pay with,
Okay.
with their name. So you can do daily pay with. The reason I didn't go with daily pay with because your business can evolve, So I'm looking at myself as a mentor coach
Of
and
build of with.
yeah, build wealth with, yeah, that sounds good also. So you just check and you will get the domain name because your name is unique to you, unless somebody else with your exact name has the same idea, So you do build wealth with passive income with, or make money with, yeah. So yeah, just think about it like that. Try a lot of options and use .com. Don't do like .ni or something like that because the end of it will determine whether it's a global business or a local business, So you want to go with .com. Okay. So once you do that, in the second email, you have the steps on how you connect your domain name to Systeme, unless you already know how to do that. Because you've been online for a while, so you might know how to do that.
I might have been online. Those are the things I'm not very good at actually. So I need to up my game actually with that really.
Okay.
So and then
Say use a personal profile, not a business page, because the connection and interaction is different. When Facebook is sending people to your Facebook page, they're sending businesses to your Facebook page, not individuals. And also, it's more harder to build a good following with a page than with a personal profile. So I would say go with a personal profile because I don't know if you understand how Facebook works. If you have 10 friends and your 10 friends all have 10 friends, when you post something, everybody on that line gets to see that thing that you post. That's why Facebook is so powerful, or social media in general is so powerful. And TikTok is even better than all of them. So, what else?
with TikTok, so it's the same all TikTok page as well.
So TikTok, I would say, have you got a TikTok account already?
TikTok account, yes.
Okay, so how many followers do you have on it? I would say my own personal recommendation is to start a brand new one for this business. So that you're using the right keywords, you're using the right hashtags, everything is, targeting your ideal client. So as you start posting, TikTok knows your audience. And if you're going to follow anyone, follow people who are in the niche that you're trying to target, so that they keep sending you that traffic and even sending you information from that niche. So I need to start. I have a new one I've just created, but I've not posted anything. But my old one, I was doing a bit of Facebook. There wasn't a lot of followers, maybe like 100 when I found this business, and then I switched. But I made a mistake. I started browsing. I got excited with TikTok. I was like, oh, TikTok. So I was clicking on everything and watching everything. And the next day, my feed was filled with all sorts, So I had to start following people that I followed and try to clear out my feed. And then what I'll do is that every day I will do a search for people in my niche and I'll watch their videos. So I'm trying to tell the algorithm that this is what I'm interested in. So that's changing what I see on my feed. Yes, yes. Instagram, the same thing. But don't start with all of them at the same time because you overwhelm yourself. Start with one. I would say start with TikTok. There's something about TikTok. It helps you build your confidence. If you can do it well on TikTok, you will stand out in any of the other platforms. So start with TikTok and start building your confidence there, and then gradually be a master at social media. I love this business because it will stretch you in a good way as a business owner. Because the more you're implementing, the more you're going to be growing in yourself, your confidence in everything you're doing. Plus Michelle she's amazing. She does all these videos every day. As you watch those videos, and we're going into a challenge now that's going to help us get 30,000 by the end of April, I think. April. We're in March now. So she wants us to achieve 10K every month in the next quarter. So 30K, 10K every month. So by the end of what's quarter are we now? We're quarter one. So by the end of quarter two, we would have achieved 30K. Yeah. So that's the next goal. And I really, really love those challenges that she does. She calls them sprints. I joined the one in December while towards the end of it, and I achieved 5K by the end of it, and I came towards the end. So it's just good. It just keeps you in focus, and you just take action every day. It's important to just plug in and do it. That's why people do some crazy goals, And you have moments where you doubt yourself. It will come. That's growth. Or you start having those moments where you're feeling like, I'm not sure. That's growth. It means you're growing.